bus here in Ireland is super simple. You just head to the stop. There are tons of apps that will help you find where they are and when the bus is arriving. You can only pay in coins. If you pay in cash, you won't get any change back. Or you get yourself one of these student leap cards, and in order to stop the bus, you have to put your hand out. At the minute, you're required to wear face masks on all public transit in Ireland, and to help with social distancing, specific seats that you're allowed to sit in are indicated. And to get on the bus, you use the front doors, and to get off the bus, you use the center doors. When you get to your stop, you push one of these little red buttons, and they'll open the doors for you. It's like taking the bus around Dublin. You're required to wear a face mask when taking the Lewis, and you can get on the Lewis using your Leap card. Otherwise, once you're at the station, you can buy one-time tickets right here. And then that's what you would show a ticketer if they walked around the Lewis and asked for proof of payment. Here in Ireland, cars drive on the left side of the road, which depending on where you're from might be kind of different. So when you're crossing the street, be extra careful to look both ways. So I'm here with Lena. She's a UCD alum and she's actually from Dublin, and she's going to explain to you another great option for transport around town.
These things called Dublin bikes, and if you look over here, you can see them. These are in different places around the city. And basically you have to register online with your student card, and a yearly membership costs just €25, and then you can use your student card to tap on at any of these stations across the city, and then you take the bike. It's free for the first half hour, and then you have to pay just 50 cents for the next half hour, but they're everywhere, so you can replace it and then take another one, and they're really handy for getting around town.
So again, that's another great option outside of the bus and the Lewis and the Dart and all that for how to get around once you're here in Dublin. So we look forward to having you.